UL508 to section 66.91 specifies the color of wires for grounded control circuits in specific application industrial control panels. For any voltage alternating current circuits, the wire color must be white or natural gray. For any voltage alternating current circuits remaining energized when the main power is off, the wire color must be white with yellow stripes. For any voltage direct current circuits, the wire color must be white with blue stripes. It is important to note that these color requirements are only applicable to specific application industrial control panels as defined in UL508 to section 65.2. General use industrial control panels, as described in section 38 of UL508A, do not have any color restrictions for grounding circuits. Therefore, the color coding requirements outlined in section 66.91 are not universally applicable to all industrial control panels. Understanding the distinction between specific application and general use panels is crucial for proper wiring and compliance with UL508 standards. When working with specific application panels, adhering to the specified color codes helps ensure safety and simplifies troubleshooting. The white or natural gray color indicates a grounded alternating current circuit. The white wire with yellow stripe signifies an alternating current circuit that remains energized even when the main power is disconnected, highlighting a potential hazard. The white wire with blue stripes identifies a grounded direct current circuit. These color codes are intended to provide a visual indication of the circuit type and voltage, enhancing safety and facilitating maintenance. In contrast, general use industrial control panels offer greater flexibility in wire color selection for grounding circuits. However, it is still considered best practice to maintain consistent and documented wiring standards within the panel to minimize confusion and potential errors. While UL508 to section 38 does not mandate specific colors, employing a logical and well-documented color coding system can greatly improve the panel's overall safety and maintainability. The key takeaway is to determine whether the industrial control panel falls under the category of specific application or general use, as this distinction dictates the applicability of the color coding requirements outlined in UL508 to section 66.91. Always consult the relevant sections of the UL508 standard for complete and accurate information regarding wiring and safety requirements for industrial control panels.